Hello, student. I am Isaac AGUNBIADE. I'll be your tutor on this channel. This is AGUNBIADE Isaac Math channel, where you will be learning different topics in mathematics. At this channel, we make mathematics fun and easy. Join us in class today.
Is linear. Let's start by defining what an equation is. An equation is a mathematical statement that asserts the equality of two expressions separated by an equal sign. And what does that mean? The mathematical representation of this definition helps us to understand what that means. Now we have an example here. Here is the example. Here is the example. 2x plus 3 equals to 7. So we have 2x plus 3 at the left hand side, and we have 7 at the right hand side. And the aim of an equation is to make sure that the left hand side is also equal to the right hand side. And that was one of the definitions we said that an equation is a mathematical statement that asserts the equality of two expressions, and those expressions are separated by an equal sign, and here is the sign. So I hope you're getting it now. So the idea of equation is to make sure that the right hand side is also equal to the left hand side. And so whilst we get into the practical section of this topic, we are going to see how that takes place. All right, let's move forward. Remember, our topic is a linear equation. So what is a linear equation? A linear equation is a specific type of equation where the highest power of the variable is 1. All right, I'm going to explain that in simple terms. All right, calm down here. So that means that equation, that means that equation will graph as a straight line. To give us this graph as a straight line. So the general form of a linear equation is what we have here. Is the general form of an equation in one variable is what we have here. Ax plus b equals to 0. What is the variable there? The variable there is this x. Remember in the first example, in the mathematical expression that I showed to us, 2x plus 3 equals to 7. Now the variable there is the x, and the power of this variable is 1. It is not written because it's not needed, and so this is what we call a linear equation. But in place of a quadratic equation, the variable will be 2. The variable will be raised to the power of 2. But when it comes to a linear equation, the variable is only raised to the power of 1. And so that is what we refer to as a linear equation. But in case if the variable is 2, no, in two variables, it is as it is in this, we have y as one variable and we have the x as another variable. Now this is applicable when it comes to the plotting of the graph, knowing the intersection of the graph, and also calculating the slope of the graph. But in this tutorial lesson, I'm just going to focus more on the linear equation. All right, let's move forward. So this is an example that we're also going to solve.
Example 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So to solve this equation, the first thing you need to do is to collect like term. And what are like term? Like term are any collection of similar number with the same property. So the like term here is 5 and 0 because it has no coefficient. 3x has a coefficient because 3 is the number, the coefficient is x. So the coefficient of x is 3. Are we together? The coefficient of x is 3. Alright, so collect like terms. the like terms. And you need to also note that in collecting like term, any sign that crosses the equal sign, if it is negative, it will become positive. If it is positive, it will become negative. Now the positive sign is crossing the equals to 9, so it will be negative. Let's do that again. 3x equals to 0 minus 5, and that will give us 3x equals to minus 5. Because 0 minus 5 will give us minus 5. How then do we now get our final answer? Getting a final answer, you divide both sides by 3. Why are we dividing both sides by 3? We are dividing both sides by 3 because 3 is the coefficient of x, and we are looking for x, so we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So that's why we are dividing by 3. And so the answer will be 3 divided by 3 equals to minus 5. Sorry, let's go again. 3x divided by 3 equals to minus 5 divided by 3. And so 3, we cancel 3 here, and you'll be left with answer will be, answer therefore will be 3. Are you with me now? You're seeing that over this minus is in front. So this cancel this, and our answer will be x equals to minus 5 over 3. And here is our final answer for the equation. Alright, let's write that properly. X plus 2 minus minus 5 over 3.
Here we have a word problem, and this is where so many students always have problems because they do not know how to adequately interpret the question, and we're going to see how that is done.
Alright, so we want to solve number 2 question, and this number 2 question is a very interesting question. It's a word problem, and so we must be able to interpret the question correctly if we are to provide an answer to it. The question states, if twice the number increased by 3 is 17, what is the number? Now, so we're representing the unknown by x. It said twice a number, so let the number be x. And it is twice the number, it will be 2x. 2x increased by 3, it means an addition of 3 is equals to 17. And here we have been able to interpret the question correctly. From what we saw in the previous question, we want to collect like 10, and that will be equals to x, 2x equals to 2x equals to 17 minus 3. And you know why that is minus 3? Because the positive sign is crossing the equals to sign and becomes negative. And so answer will be 2x equals to 17 minus 3 will give us 14. Then when you divide that, you're going to have 2x equals to 14 over 2. This cancel this, and x equals to 7. So answer is x equals to 7. Well, let's write that properly. Divide both sides by 2. So we have 2x divided by 2 equals to 14 divided by 2, and answer will be 2 equals to 7. Sorry, our answer will be x equals to 7.
And here's a practice question for you that you can also try. Try them, drop your answer in the comment section. See you in the next video.
Thank you for joining us in class today. We hope that you have been able to learn something from what has been taught today. Join us in another video as we explore more topics in mathematics. Thank you.